Today is game day.
Neil, you ready?
Am I ready? Today is game day at Aikens, and it's game day at Jordan-Hare Stadium in Auburn. The dogs and the kitty cats are going down. I'm calling 42-9 dogs. It's game day also. I wanted to go to the game today, but I couldn't because it's game day here also. We have two beautiful trucks going on. One for a great lady in Florida, an unbelievable Rapid Red special truck. Are y'all ready? Let's go. Hey. Let's review. Ralph is ready. Taking you to the candy shop today with another Rapid Red Diamond. This truck is so special. We got Ralph involved. You've seen Ralph in the video. He does a great job helping us sell and accessorize these beautiful trucks. Sean Berger with our accessory department and everyone that was involved with this build. A truly special one. Maybe my favorite Rapid Red ever. That's kind of hard for me to admit that because we've done so many beautiful Rapid Reds. So it being probably the pinnacle, the top dog, I had to break out the Kevin Durant YouTube Nike Air Max. You see the YouTube on the front, you got the play button, you got to hit like and subscribe, just like the shoes say. So legit, a true diamond shoe for a true diamond custom for a great young lady in Florida. She's about to be here, so excited to see her reaction of such a special truck. Let's get right to it. This is a Everest Edition F-250 Platinum 2022 with the big screen. We're on 22s also. Up front with the Platinum, we took the brushed aluminum components to Rapid Red, black throughout, did a nice satin surround and a correlating Rapid Red with gloss black on that front emblem. Nobody's doing this. Unbelievable up front. The headlights, did a flip on this one, did the chrome black and the inlay. This is normally black. We did that Rapid Red, took the amber away, Rapid Red, even on the side also. Now you probably saw in the rolling shots, we had that pesky long front valence on it. So with the last piece of the puzzle was putting the trimmer valence up front. Got black tow hooks also, but the trimmer valence just helps overall with that aesthetically pleasing, overall big boy substantialness to it. So unbelievable front end. You see this truck coming down the road just from the front, you're like, what is this coming at me? And then you come down the side and it just gets even more legit. So over here on the side, we have the TIS 547. It was a BM wheel, BM meaning black and milled. In partnership, Sean and Ralph knocked us out of the park dealing with TIS to get them to powder coat in the Rapid Red. How money is that? The Rapid Red, where it says TIS Off-Road, that's normally a milled portion, but this is a true game changer. Unbelievable, and thanks so much to TIS Wheels for knocking it out of the park on this custom one offset for us. We are 4-inch lifted via BDS radius arm kit, got the radius arm Fox shocks throughout. We've got a nice Fox dual steering stabilizer up front, and we've got Toyo Open Country RT tires. We don't run this tire enough. It's a phenomenal hybrid tire. Has a great overall appeal to it. 37, 13 and a half, 22, and overall big boy status on a 22 by 10 wheel with that offset at that -18 mark. It's just an unbelievable stance. It's not too overdone, not too wide, elegant, tasteful platinum truck. The side badge, we did that chrome part, rapid red. This is a texture on the back. Remove the texture, do gloss black, rapid red here. These side badges, y'all, the detail in this, it was like a brushed aluminum, did rapid red with black correlating combo there. And then the mirrors. You know, these mirrors make a huge difference to me. We did the complete mirror, removed the texture there, and did rapid red throughout. Even the surround, just doing these mirrors, y'all, makes a huge difference in the overall completion and look of the build. This is a money setup, and I hope you can see the rapid red just glistening in the sunlight, right? I mean, like, it is so money, such a beautiful color. Like, it is just unbelievable. Seeing this video, it does not do it justice. You gotta come see us at Akins. Just buy one of these trucks. You actually get to see it every day. It's an unbelievable color. Now, I'm a Georgia Bulldog, and this is Gamecock, Florida State Seminole territory, but nonetheless, this is rapid red. This has nothing to do with the Gamecocks, okay, or the Seminoles. This is a rapid red color, all right? So don't get it twisted. This is not Georgia red. It's not Gamecock, whatever that you want to call that, okay? So let's go. This is normally chrome. We wrap that in black as well as your power running board down there at the bottom. Just no detail was left unturned on this one. The door handles are now body color also. They're usually chrome. Coming around back, just again, unbelievable wheel and tire combo. We got the Pace Edwards bed locker, power bed cover. We blacked out the third brake light. You know that back here is where it goes on. This is my favorite. It's my favorite part. Back here, this is the nicest, the baddest, the premier tailgate in the game. I love this one, y'all. This is money. Did our signature tail light package with the border perimeter paint and the black throughout, 100% legal, all 50 states, all where the light illuminates is still showing. The tailgate applique though, I mean, like, you know, this is so legit because we've got the brushed aluminum to black and did rapid red throughout, a money combo, and a nice correlating MagnaFlow exhaust to match out back, rear wheel well liners, unbelievable. Now, a special surprise on the inside. This is not a surprise. We got the big 12-inch touchscreen. Looking so legit, but back here in the back, we have the MTI Acoustics sub box. I've loved this subwoofer company. Their boxes are incredible. It looks so phenomenal. We've got dual 12-inch subs. Ralph's gonna crank this bad boy up. Look at the illuminating light there. We got JL dual downfire 12-inch subs. So clean, so legit. So looking over the front seat, just how money that is. Even the stitching matches the seats. The best sub box in the business, MTI Acoustics, none better. So truly one of the baddest 2022s on the road. I mean, we have two now. We have a white 22 on the road that is the baddest, and we have a rapid red. Unbelievable. Just met the young lady. She is so excited. Just to see her genuine reaction and gratitude means everything to us. That's what it's all about, taking care of the customers. We're not worried about the competition. We're worried about our customers. If we take care of our customers, everything else plays out the way it needs to. So just know our main focus here at Akins and Wildwillies for over 50 years has been you, the customer. So thanks so much for watching, y'all. A true diamond. Oh my gosh. I think we may not be able to top it, but you know, we'll try. We will try, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Peace.